Hey everyone. Yeah, Puppy's got a messy on the floor, as you can see. But let me show you. He's eating his ice cream. Puppy, look up. Show him your ice cream. Show YouTube your ice cream, Puppy. Anyway, it is dog ice cream. It's bacon and cheese. Let me show you Radar's. Radar's got his ice cream too. And the light's better out here. Yeah, they enjoy ice cream. And I've got my ice cream. The only way I can eat ice cream is if I give Puppy some and Radar some. Well, they ain't having it. Hold on, y'all. I'm dropping ice cream. Trying to get back in the room here. He got this room a mess. Yeah. This is a dog's room. He just lets me stay in here. Yeah. Ain't that right, Puppy? You share your room with me, huh? I don't share my room with you. You share it with me. And he takes up the whole bed. Because he just moved his ice cream over here. Because I've only got a twin-size bed, y'all. Now, Puppy don't get it under the bed. Yeah. I'm going to have to buy a bigger bed because look at the bones and treats all over the floor, y'all. Nothing I can do about it. He's got to have stuff to chew on. And it still don't stop him from chewing on my stuff. But yeah, so I want to tell you, don't forget to give your dogs a nice cold treat after they're outside playing or whatever for a little bit. Because they enjoy it too, and it's hot outside. And it's been a hot one, boy, really hot. So, treat your dogs to ice cream. They sell it at Walmart over by our ice cream. In case you're not, you don't know. But, alright then, I just wanted to show you us enjoying our ice cream in the summertime. And, oh, and by the way, it's not expensive. It's under $3 for 4 of them. So it's not expensive or anything. Alright then.